Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. Today's video is about a Nykaa haul video, and I have bought these stuff like 2 weeks back, but I'm reviewing it and doing a haul like it's a 2-in-1 thing today, and I'm gonna tell you all the reviews about it. I used it like 2 weeks continuously, and I'm gonna tell you the result, that how it worked for me. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Also, if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe right now. And also, if you don't follow me on my Instagram, I'm quite active there also. You can check that out. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna talk about is this caffeine scrub, body scrub. And I tried it for 2 weeks twice. Like every week I tried 2 times. I'm gonna tell you the reviews. The reviews are like okayish, as according to its price, it's I think for 400 or 500, and according to its price, the quantity is quite good. That I won't say it isn't, but it is like when I apply it, it just feels like I'm applying coffee. So I would really prefer you to use normal coffee, apply coconut oil, and you can make your own scrub with it instead of investing in such a huge thing, that too for 300 or 400, and you get coffee like sachets of 1 rupee. So I think that would be the best way. I'm just gonna show you and tell you the review. This is how the packaging look like. The packaging is the most attractive thing I could see, no doubt. And you also get this scoop kind of thing to pick the scrub up and apply it on your palms, like everywhere, like on your whole body. And it tells that it removes tan. I tried applying it. Actually, my hands are like always quite tanned. So I applied it. I could see the result, of course, as there is coffee in it, which helps in removing tan. So I think this product actually worked. Instead of investing in such a big tub, that too for 300 or 400, which does the same work that a 1 rupee sachet does, I think that I would go with that 1 rupee sachet. Or everyone has coffee at their house, so just a little bit of amount with coconut oil and some sugar, and you're done. Like you can DIY your own coffee scrub. Ask me if this worked for me or not. It worked. Definitely the product is not bad. The product worked nicely, did its job. Like I had applied it has been only 2 weeks, and I've applied it 2 times. So I could see the results. So I think that it's worthy of it. It feels like sand, and it smells like coffee. It's very yummy smell. Everything about this product is amazing, but if you're a beginner, you can't afford such pricey stuff, I would really suggest you to create your own DIY scrub. I would also upload a video regarding it, so you can check it out. Next is the Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask. Now, I have been facing a lot of hair fall nowadays, and I really wanted like a hair mask for myself, so I got this one. I had actually applied a different ingredient one before with my sister. Now that I'm using this one frequently, I can see a slight result. Like my hair fall was like a lot. I could see like 1% difference, as I think it has been 2 weeks only, and they have written in the box also that use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. So I have used only 2 times. So I'm gonna try using it for a month, and once this tub is finished, I will see that if it was worth all those things. So yeah, according to its price, it's quite decent, as you get such a big tub, and it's quite big, and inside portion is also like very, very, very delicious, and that is so good. I have been using, I can't really say that I like it, but I would say it might work, as I could see like a slight difference in it. So it might work. I hope it works. Okay, so the next thing is like, I always wanted this one, and I always used to control myself that no, don't buy it. But this time I actually bought it, and this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Let me show you. It feels like so good to have something so pricey. That too so small. I know the size is quite small and I'm not gonna actually use it like for everyday basis. It's just like I'm gonna use it twice a week or something like that, as it's quite pricey and I know some people can't afford this. It's so yummy and so moisturizing. I just feel so good when I apply this. I have literally just applied a little bit of this. But yeah, the product consistency is very nice. Definitely, if it's a 500 product, then it should give you something, right? So I think it gives, but will I buy it again? I don't think so. I will, as it was a one-time thing for me. And also, I think Vaseline works quite well for us. For the ones who can't afford it, I am sure that Vaseline also works quite good. You can use it as an alternative if you can't afford this one. But this product is quite nice, like for your lips. I just feel very hydrated when I apply this, so it actually does its work. So I'm happy with that. Is the M Caffeine Coffee Scrub, and this scrub, I'm gonna say it works really nice, but you need to take a lot of quantity in this, as I had applied, like I have taken this much amount. Still I used to feel like I need more amount, so like the consistency is I think thinner than the actual scrub, which is actually good too, as I think that some of the sensitive skin types don't need those harsh scrubs on their face. So I think for them it's quite a nice thing, and I am been applying this for twice a week now, and I could feel it. Like when I use Cetaphil cleanser, I feel that softness on my face. I feel this after using this, so I'm definitely gonna recommend you this one, as it actually does its job quite well. And also I had ordered like M Caffeine 2 products, so I got those hair scrub free and very cute small bottles I got. I can't find them right now, but they are very cute bottles. I'll just upload the picture. I don't know why I'm buying so many scrubs. Next is the Alana Choconutty Lip Scrub, and this scrub was recommended by my sister, and I apply it like twice a week now I think, and I really feel very moisturized, as personally my lips are like most of the time dry, so I really needed something to remove that dead skin and everything. So when I used to apply this, I just felt so good, trust me. I really felt so nice, as my lips felt very moisturized, very clean. When I touched them, it just felt so soft, and the scrub does its job, and it's so cheap. It's just for 150, and it does its job so well. So I'm definitely gonna recommend you this. The last one is the Johnson's Baby Oil. I always keep one with me. After scrubbing, I just apply this oil just to feel like moisturized. My body can feel moisturized on the areas where I've scrubbed, as it's very important to keep your areas moisturized wherever you have scrubbed. I have taken the smaller one, as I thought I was ordering the bigger one, but as usual, small one came. And yes, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe right now. Comment, press the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!